So in this video, we'll be learning about multiplying and dividing powers of 10. So let's review the powers of 10 first. So when we have a number like 10 and we raise it to the power of 1, this just equals 10. And when we have it squared, so 10 to the second power, that's just 10 times 10. And that equals 100. So when we have 10 to the negative second power, we just do 1 over 10 to the second power, which equals to 1 over 100. Okay, so let's talk about multiplying powers of 10 first. So when multiplying, we add the exponents if the bases are the same. And in this case, since both the bases are 10, we can just add, and this gets 10 to the 2 plus 3 power, which equals 10 to the 5th power. And in this situation as well, since the bases are both 10, we can just do 10 to the 5 plus negative 3 power, which is just 5 minus 3, or 10 to the second power. So now, let's see when you multiply a whole number by a power of 10. So when you multiply a whole number by like 10 to the 3rd power, for example, we just move it 3 decimal places to the right. So let's take an example. So 3,500 times 10 to the 3rd power would be 3,500, and then we move this decimal point 3 places to the right. So that equals to 3,500,000. And for 7,200 times 10 to the 4th power, we will get we move this decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4 places. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 more zeros. So that answer will be 72 million. So now let's try this problem. So since the exponent is 3, we just move it 3 places to the right, like here. So the answer will just equal 258. So moving on to division. So when dividing, we just subtract the exponents if the bases are the same. So since they're both 10 right now, it's 10 to the 5 minus 3 power, which is just 10 squared. And here it's just 10 to the 8 minus negative 2, or 10 to the 8 plus 2 power, which is 10 to the 10th power. So let's take a look at dividing a whole number by a power of 10. So like for example, when you divide a whole number by 10 squared, we move it 2 decimal places to the left. So for example, 5,000 divided by 10 squared, so we just have 5,000. And since the decimal place is here, we move it 2 over, and we get 50. And for 900,000 divided by 10 cubed, we just get 900,000. We move it 1, 2, 3, so we get 900. Okay, so for the final problem, we have to fill in the blank. So 720,800 divided by blank equals 720.8. So we can just rewrite this as 720.8 times a blank number equals 720,800. So how much decimal places do we have to move from this number to get to this number? And if you see, there's 2 more zeros after 8, so we can move it 1, 2, 3 places to get that number. So that means that this missing number here will be 10 cubed.